Do you feel shy when you talk about your family in English? Do you know the words in your head, but your mouth feels closed?
If that sounds like you, please stay with us. Because today's episode is for you, not for perfect English speakers, for real people, for learners, for you.
Let me ask you something. If someone asks you, "Tell me about your mom," can you answer in English without fear?
Or do you feel nervous? Do you think too much? Do you worry about grammar, pronunciation, or mistakes?
If your heart says, "Yes, I feel that," then relax. You are in the right place.
Today, we will help you talk about your mom in simple, clear, confident English. No pressure, no stress, just real English you can use today.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. We are so happy you are here.
Welcome to our channel, Everyday Spoken English. This is a safe place to learn English, a calm place, a friendly place.
Here, English is not scary. It is simple. It is human. It is for real life.
We help adults speak English with confidence, even if you feel shy, even if you feel slow, even if you feel afraid of mistakes.
If you like learning English in a relaxed way, please like this video, subscribe to our channel Everyday Spoken English, and share it with someone who needs confidence.
All right, take a deep breath. Smile a little. Let's start together.
Today's topic is very special. We will talk about our mom.
Everyone has a mom or a mother figure. She can be kind. She can be strong. She can be busy. She can be quiet.
Talking about your mom is emotional, but the English does not need to be hard.
You do not need big words. You do not need long sentences. You need simple truth.
Simple English is powerful English.
Today, we will help you say things like, "This is my mom. She is kind. She helps me. I love her."
That's it. No grammar lessons, no rules, just speaking. Let's start very easy. Listen first. This is my mom.
Again.
This is my mom.
Now let's add one more idea. My mom is kind.
Say it with me. My mom is kind. Now we describe her. Use easy words.
For example, my mom is kind. My mom is patient. My mom is strong. My mom is funny.
You can choose one word. Only one is enough. Let's practice. My mom is kind.
My mom is strong.
My mom is patient.
Very good.
Now let's talk about actions. What does your mom do?
Listen, she helps me. She cooks for us. She works a lot. She listens to me.
These sentences are short, and they are beautiful. Repeat after me. She helps me.
She cooks for us.
She listens to me.
Hi, Emily. Who is that?
This is my mom.
She looks nice.
Yes, she is very kind.
What does she do?
She helps our family a lot.
That's it. Simple, natural, real English.
Now it's your turn. Please pause the video if you want. Say this sentence out loud. This is my mom.
Good. Now say one word about her. My mom is...
Kind, strong, funny? Choose one.
Try again. Say it with confidence.
Now answer this question in your head or in the comments. What does your mom do for you?
You can write, she helps me. She supports me. She loves me.
Simple is perfect.
Let us tell you something important.
Making mistakes is normal. It is part of learning.
A baby does not walk perfectly on day one. They fall. They stand again.
English is the same. Small steps.
Do not wait to be perfect. Speak now.
Your English does not need to be fancy. It needs to be real.
When you speak about your mom, your heart helps your words.
Let's remember what we learned today.
We learned how to say, "This is my mom."
We learned how to describe her. My mom is kind. My mom is strong.
We learned how to talk about actions. She helps me. She listens to me.
And most important, we learned that simple English is good English.
Now, we want to hear from you.
Please comment below and write one sentence about your mom.
For example, my mom is kind, or my mom helps me.
Practice today, not tomorrow. Just one sentence.
If this video helped you, please like it.
Subscribe to our channel, Everyday Spoken English, for more calm, friendly English practice.
Keep watching. Keep practicing. You are doing great.
Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.